Empowering communities economically is crucial, especially in the rural villages where poverty levels are alarming, with less or no food security, no income-generating activity, and therefore no saving skills. But thanks to non-government organizations that introduced the Village Savings and Loan Association VSLA scheme, which has provided skills in saving and has helped to increase crop production for income generation. Communities in the villages now form VSLA groups to save and loan money for income-generating projects. This is a locally VSLA group in Lolachat sub-county, Nakapiripireti district, that started in May 2013 with each member saving 2,500 shillings, including a social fund. And as the chairperson explains, this is a unique economic strategy, especially for Karamojong community that relies mainly on a cow for survival.
Some of these loans, it has helped us. When you fall sick, as a member, you loan, you take your person to the LG unit or to the hospital. Then after, you recover this money.
This group sits every Sunday to save and loan after members have borrowed and returned the monies. Iriama says they have now realized the importance of saving.
Before this, we are just drinking. A day, a person can drink even 2,000, 5,000 beers in the bars there. Now saving has really assisted us. At the end of the year, we sit and break the box. Each one gets what he has been saving.
Through savings, Iriama has since 2005 been saving and borrowing money, which has enabled him to set up his own business, including this grinding machine, which he boasts of as it fetches money easily.
I bought some things in my shop. Then after I returned that money, I remained with some little property. So there I went, I loaned again 1.5 and topped with the property, which I used in the shop. Then I bought the machine. I love savings too much.
The beneficiaries here borrow money and invest in different personal projects. Men deal in goat slaughtering and women buy millet and sorghum for brewing a local beer and are now enjoying the profits of saving.
Whenever I take something like 50,000, they give me something like 1 month. I go and utilize this very month. By the time they told me to return this money, I have to return with the profit.
I thank God to give us that person who brought this saving. Than going begging, my brother, assist me. Come tomorrow, I will give you money. You go tomorrow, no one can give you. But saving it, you go. I want such money, 100,000, you will be given. Or even 300, you will be given.
These started with small amounts of money, but now are very excited of the profits from the small beginnings. In Amuru district, Achol sub-county, VSLA beneficiaries from the Pacho Docs Pacho group in Aguayuge Lamogi sub-county are only excited of the wonders of savings, saying it has solved the problems of school fees, sending children up to university, and has increased the food security in the area.
I managed also to borrow some 450,000 so that I could go and pay my school fees to make me be able to sit my O level.
In Abera village, Pabo sub-county, Amuru district, this Riboching Kimon Ber A VSLA group is already balancing the books of accounts, a total up to over 9 million shillings to be shared among its members. Unfortunately, the VSLA association is reported to be causing domestic violence in some families, especially as it empowers mostly women, leaving out men who then demand for the sharing of profits with their wives, but in vain. The other concern is the sustainability of these projects beyond the small village savings to bigger investments. Stephen Mwiri, WBS News.